So, the start of an adventure, the start of something new. I'm off for a long journey away from home, and it's going to change our lives, I'm sure. Dee and Ron will be fine, I've got every confidence in them. It's me I'm worried about. 7 months is a long time. Well, I don't know if it's going to be 7 months or so, preparing for the worst. But, first up is a 3-hour boat trip. Fantastic. Come on, come and join me. So here I am, first day. The ferry was okay, very calm, very flat, very... You know how it is on the ferry. You just sit there and watch the whole world go by. No drama. Anyway, so I'm in the air hotel. Very pleasant. Views overlooking the pier and the harbour and the car park. Not the best views, but it's a sea view apparently. I booked in nice and early. My room wasn't meant to be ready until 2 p.m. but I booked in just after 11. So it's always a bonus to get there early and see if your room is free and available. Mine was. It's a very pleasant room. Bright, airy, lovely sea view overlooking the car park and the pier. Had a little walk around Kirkwall. Not much to see or do up in Kirkwall, to be honest. But I found some presents to post home to the little one. Made the post office just in time. So this afternoon, it's just going to be a case of pottering around, getting myself all ready, my admin all ready for tomorrow morning. I have an early start, heading to the airport and going off on an aeroplane into Aberdeen. Or was it Edinburgh? I've forgotten where I'm flying to tomorrow. Aberdeen, I'm sure it's Aberdeen, yes. Then I will be on a plane from Aberdeen to Heathrow, staying there overnight in the Hilton. And the following day, go from Heathrow to Plymouth by the train and the tube, and oh, what joys that's going to be. It's been years and years and years since I've been on the train, and I don't think my little boy has ever actually seen the inside of a train properly. So it's going to be good to document, to show my little boy me on a train. So much fun, so much excitement. So anyway, I'm going to leave this video here, and I will make an update later on. See you all soon now. Bye bye.